Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about Pala Dynasty. Please, guys, go through my playlist. You will have the various topics. One of the finest YouTube channel. I request once you have a look. Pala Dynasty is initially founded by Gopala. So that is the reason you have been given in this slide. So let us see what exactly the Pala dynasty has got, Pala period. The founder of Pala dynasty, Gopala I, who had formed it in 750 AD. The dynasty replaced the Pal dynasty was the Sain dynasty. So after this Pala dynasty, the dynasty which has replaced that is Sain dynasty. Which Pal ruler patronized the council of Buddhist scholars? During the time of Dharampal, the Vikramshila University has been formed, and during this time the council of Buddhist scholars was patronized. Please remember them. The ruler founded the famous university for Buddhists. Dharampala had founded the famous university. As you can see that Vikramshila University is one of the finest example. To which era were the two greatest artists of India, that is Beedpal and Dhiman? They are both related to the Pal period. So we have to remember these are the two greatest artists of India. Beedpal and Dhiman are the two greatest artists who were during the time of Pala dynasty. Dharampala. Pal rulers used to follow Buddhism. We are aware that by the advice of Taranath Gopal, built monastery at Odantapuri, which is located in Bihar. He had built one monastery, and Dharampala, who is the son of Gopala, defeated Dhruva and Vatsaraj, who are other kings. We knew that Dhruva and Vatsaraj of other dynasties. Dharampala conducted darbars at Kannauj. We should remember Dharampala even conducted the few darbars at Kannauj, and he also renovated and revised Nalanda University, and he had donated from 200 villages the donation for the Nalanda University, and founded Vikramshila University also. And the monastery of Bhagalpur, which is located in Bhagalpur, even constructed Sompuri Monastery, as you can see, which is located in Paharpur in Bihar. As you can see the right side of this picture, Sompuri Monastery has been constructed by whom? This is constructed by Dharampala. Please go through whatever has been given. I request you guys to share it to your friends. 800 plus question papers have been given, guys. It is not a one day business. So next we have Devapal. Devapal was ruled between 810 to 850 CE. This Devapal is the son of Dharampala. So we should remember the order: Gopala 1, Dharampala, and followed by Devapala. These are the three successors we have to remember step by step during the Pala dynasty. Devapala was defeated by whom? He was defeated by Amoghavarsh. I told you Amoghavarsh was the greatest king. Pala dynasty was called as Ruhmi or Ruhma Dharma by Arab merchant, that is his name is Suleiman. So Suleiman had given his dynasty as Ruhma or Ruhmi. Mahipala took over post Devapala. After Devapala, Mahipala has taken over, but he was defeated by Rajendra Chola because he was weaker as compared to Rajendra Chola. The last ruler of Pala dynasty, you have to remember this. The first ruler is Gopala I and the last ruler is Madanpala. So Madanpala is the last ruler, and the Pal dynasty was ended by Sena dynasty, whose time was, that is Vijay Sena had overcome Madanpala in the 12th century. So you have to remember the statue of Rajendra Chola, how exactly it looks like in the right side of this slide. Even during the Pal dynasty, the patronization of Nalanda and Vikramshila was done during Pal dynasty, and Islam has come during the Pal dynasty. At this time, the Muhammad Prophet, whoever founded the Islam has come into force. This was the golden period in the history of Bengal. We knew that Pal dynasty was ruled in the territories of Bengal. So this was the golden period in the history of Bengal. The Buddhist poet Vajradatta, who composed Lokeshwara Shataka. As you can remember that Lokeshwara Shataka was composed by whom? That is Vajradatta, who is a Buddhist poet. That he was in a Devapala's court. Whoever the poet, Vajradatta was present during the time of Devapala's court itself. So we should remember whoever the founder and whoever the last ruler of Pala dynasty, Madan Pala. So you have to remember all these things. So I hope this will help you a lot. If I had done any kind of mistakes, you can comment me on the section for any kind of information or any suggestions that will be helpful for the next people. I request you guys to call me on 766730 or message me for WhatsApp if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.